In an effort to create character consistency, I have some enhanced prompts that AI Samson first introduced, but I have since tweaked them a bit to give another angle. And I also added a full new prompt that will allow you to create cartoon characters with the same template, rather than just the photorealistic ones. I also made this for objects too, for example, a spaceship. So let's get into how to make these character sheets. If you want to follow along and make these for your character, then download the full prompts for free below in the description of this video. One of the biggest issues with AI videos is keeping consistency throughout. Now, when you have the character facing forward, it is easy to make sure they look the same, but if you turn the camera or the character turns around, everything falls apart. So, that is where these character sheets come in handy. Since they have a view of every angle of the character, you can tell the AI to use the image to reference what the character should look like from the back and side views, as well as close-up on the face. So let's paste our prompt in and go ahead and make our character sheets. I recommend using Google Flow for this since it is free right now to generate free Nano Banana images. And Nano Banana is the best image generator out there in my opinion. So first we need a beginning reference image. If you want to be specific on what it generates for the back, you will need at least 2 reference images then. I also have a prompt that has a text field where you can just go from text to image if you don't have a reference image. In my opinion, it'd probably be better to be satisfied with at least a front reference image first before making the character sheet. Anyways, I got my reference image in and ready. So let's go to my prompt sheet, copy the prompt, and paste it in. Now all you have to do is literally hit generate. The prompt is really that good. No tweaking required. It should copy the character exactly how it is in the reference image. Make sure you have it set for 4 Nano Banana 2 images and press generate. Awesome, it's done. Now we can choose which one we like the best, and then of course, we will have to make some tweaks probably, since sometimes the AI still gets it wrong and does not get the character from head to toe on the top row. Or from head to shoulders on the bottom row, but with another fix prompt down in the reference sheet, we can fix those issues, no problem. These look great, except looks like we will have to fix them. I think I go with this one. Looks epic, but it does need fixed. To fix our character sheet, simply go back to our prompt page and scroll down to the Fixing Issue Prompts section. Copy the prompt that you need. In my case, I need to fix in legs and feet cropping of the top row images. Paste in the prompt, add the desired character sheet you like the most, and click Generate to get 4 more Nano Banana images. Yes! Epic, this looks great. Now if everything looks great, you're done. However, if you want to change anything with the character, no problem, just add the image to the prompt. Say what you want to change. In my case, I want her to have green eyes. Type in a change prompt and create 4 more Nano Banana images, then choose from the 4. If you do not like any of the 4, remember, you can generate unlimited Nano Banana images right now, so just keep going until it is perfect. Now, before just generating a video, it is a good idea to create a starting reference image first, so that way the video has a place to start, and you know you are already satisfied with the scene. If you place your character in a scene text to video you may not like where you end up. Here are some examples of videos that got made from a simple text to video. The character is consistent, but there's a lot of issues here that could probably be fixed if we had the character already added to a scene. So I created some images and I ended up choosing this one here. Let's generate a video, see how it turns out. So, to create a video here, in Flow, change the video to from frame to frame to ingredients. So it will use both our first frame image by telling it the first image is the first frame. Then also reference the character sheet and simply tell the AI to make sure you keep the character consistent by referencing image 2. You don't want to do frame to frame since the AI will get confused thinking your character reference sheet is part of the scene and make something very goofy. Once you have a good prompt in, click Generate. Make sure you only have it set to 1 video though, otherwise you will waste all your daily credits. That is much better, and it looks very good when it zooms in on her face. Looks just like the reference sheet. Okay, now let's try creating the scene with Grok since it just got some updates that let you can address each image, making it so much easier to create epic videos with consistent characters. And with this new character reference sheet, we can make the character super consistent. I know Grok Imagine is paid now, but there is still ways to get it either free or pay as little as $8 a month. I go over that in this video up here in the card in the top right corner of this video. So putting in our scene and image, notice we can do the @ symbol in order to address a certain image. For this image, I will tell Grok to use it as the first frame of the video, then we can tell it to use our character sheet as just a reference to keep the character consistent. Okay, great. Now let's click Generate. Awesome. That looks very good. Now, let's download this and get the last frame of the video so we can continue this video. Normally, you can extend this using the extend feature within Grok, but we can't upload our character reference sheet if we do that. So I'm going to just grab the last frame by adding it to a video editor and exporting the last frame. Alternatively, you can use the snipping tool to get the last frame too. So let's repeat the same process now, using the last frame of the last video as our first frame, and then making sure Grok knows the other image is our character reference sheet. Awesome, but I didn't really like those mercenary guys it made, so I decided to enhance my prompt by actually using 2 reference sheets, one for our Mara Jade character, and another with an Imperial Stormtrooper reference sheet that I happened to have made a few days back for another project. So let's see how that turned out.
2 hours later.
After a lot of different versions of this, I finally landed on what I wanted. I also went ahead, added a few more scenes, and kept it going a bit, so let's see how it all turned out with it all together.
Can't find them.
This way, then.
There you are. Come on, turn around. We need to talk.
Mara Jade, we meet at last. Tell your men to stand down before they get hurt.
Excuse me? I think you have the situation confused here.
The video is awesome. Right, yeah. Comment below what you think of these awesome new character sheets.
Wait, what? Who were you talking to?
You interrupted my video I was making, which, by the way, you are the star of. We just created you a few minutes ago.
Wait, what do you mean you made me?
This is all an illusion. We are all computer generated. Nothing here is real.
I don't have time for this. The Emperor sent me.
Stop with your conspiracy theories. The Emperor needs help with his Wi-Fi again.
Oh, did he restart the modem?
Why would we come here if we had not done that already? Excuse me, I need to take this. Yes, Master. What is it?
Mara, forget your search. I figured it out. The Wi-Fi is good now.
Oh, what happened? How did you fix it?
Well, this is awkward. I just, I restarted the modem.
Told you that always works.
Oh, you did find him. Good. But that's even more awkward. Well, okay, bye.
Are you kidding me?
Are you done?
Yes, my lord. Apologies.
Oh, forget it. Let's just get out of here. I am in a galaxy of idiots.
Fake galaxy. Remember, this is all computer generated. Okay, maybe I got a bit carried away there, but it was super fun making all the clips and experimenting to get things just right. But it is awesome to see what you can do now that you can address characters with these new character reference sheets. Now, what about a cartoon character? Well, it is fairly similar to what we just did with the realistic character, however, this is where I had to change up the prompt a lot. So to get a cartoon character created, first get a reference image, and then upload it to a Flow project. Now, let's go to a prompt sheet that we downloaded from the Mega Uploads link in the description of this video, and scroll down to number 4, Cartoon Character Identity Sheet. Copy the prompt and paste it into Flow prompt box. Make sure you have 4 Nano Banana images selected, and press Generate. Awesome! Once it is done, choose from the ones it created or generate more if you don't like what it generated. Looks like I got a few that came out perfect, meaning not really needing to fix them. They have all the views from head to toe on top and head to shoulder on the bottom. However, I think I like this one the best, but it does need fixed. In order to fix the top row, we can do it just like we did with the realistic character sheet by scrolling down on our character sheet to number 6, fixing issue prompts and copying the prompt to fix the top row. Let's add our image we want to edit to the prompt by right-clicking it and saying Add to Prompt. Then we'll paste in our fix and click Generate 4 more Nano Banana images. Awesome! This turned out great! Now, what if you want your character to stay the same, but want to change the outfit? To do this, let's first generate a nice red dress to put her in. Okay, don't really want a polka-dotted dress, so let's update the prompt a bit and generate again. Awesome, this will work. Now, just add the character sheet to our prompt, and then go to the prompt sheet and copy number 3, Changing Wardrobe. Paste it in, and in the brackets, let's add our image of the dress to the prompt. Tip, you can actually use the AT symbol to address a certain image. Now press Generate. There we go, it changed her outfit to a nice red dress. Cool. Wait, what did it do here? Strange, it changed it to a real person and not just any person. Is that Scarlett Johansson? Strange. Funny, it must think our character is Black Widow. I am surprised it actually did that though. Google Flow has strict copyright rules. I wonder if that is why these other generations failed. Okay, so that is how to create the character sheets for a realistic person and a cartoon. But what about a ship or an object? Can we do the same thing for that? I think I actually was successfully able to do this to create my epic ship. So, to do this, open up Flow again and upload a reference of the object or ship you want to create. Then scroll down on our prompt guide that we downloaded from the Mega Uploads link in the description of this video. Now copy number 5, Photorealistic Object Identity Sheet. Now paste it into the prompt and press Generate. You may need to do this several times. Notice, I have ran this several times already. When I was creating this sheet, I ended up editing the original prompt to add a 4th image on the bottom of the sheet to show the bottom view of the ship too, rather than just having only 3 close-up views on the bottom. This change has already been reflected in current prompts, so you don't have to worry about changing yours to add this. Here we go. This one is perfect. So let's test this out and create a video to see if we can keep the ship consistent, just like we did with Mara Jade earlier. So I'm going to use Grok again, but you can use Flow or any other generator that allows to reference image elements rather than just referencing them as frames only. So I am going to first create a starting image by adding our reference sheet, then saying to add the ship to space with a planet under it. These both turned out great, but I am going to go with this one. Now let's upload this new image we made and then add in our video prompt. I am going to have the ship fly close to the planet as if it is going to go toward it to land on the surface. Notice, like we did earlier, simply reference each image with the @ symbol, and tell the AI what to do with each image. Whether it is just using the image as a frame of the video, or it is using it as a reference for a character in the video. Once satisfied with the prompt, press generate. And there we go. It worked. I think this turned out very good. Notice when the ship turns, it looks fairly close to what it is supposed to look like from the back from our reference sheet. Often, though, it could mess up, but the key is to just redo the prompt until it gets it right. Overall, even though the AI can get it wrong sometimes, hands down, having these reference sheets is a game changer. Comment below what you think of these character sheets. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Coming up next week, I will be showing you how to create an epic music video with AI, so stay tuned for that by subscribing to the channel. Or, if this is the future, the video may already be up. Click it here to watch it now. And remember, tech is the way.
My circuits hum, I watch the cursor blink, frozen screen, cold metal on my lap, system crash, black coffee spills on the deck, power down, power up again. Tech is the way, tech is the way, code in the veins, digital rain, tech is the way, tech is the way. Printer jams, red light flashing slow, low tone.